Welcome to my channel. HP ENVY Inspire 7955E Wireless Setup Quick Easy Method. Step 1. Unbox the printer, remove all packaging materials, tapes, and protective covers from the printer. Step 2. Plug in the power cable, connect the printer to a power source and press the power button. Step 3. Install ink cartridges, open the ink access door and insert the provided ink cartridges correctly. Step 4. Load paper, place plain A4 letter paper into the input tray and adjust the guides. Step 5. Select language region, use the printer touchscreen to choose your language, country, and basic settings. Step 6. Turn on Wi-Fi, on the printer screen, go to wireless settings and enable Wi-Fi. Step 7. Download HP Smart app, install HP Smart on your phone, tablet, or computer. Step 8. Connect printer to network, open the app, tap Add Printer, and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Step 9. Complete setup, wait for the printer to connect and finish automatic setup. Step 10. Printer test page, printer sample page to confirm wireless printing works perfectly. Thanks for watching.